cursed robots and their disgusting stench. It's not like anyone cares about this place anymore. But still, it's good to cover my tracks. I can't believe I actually did it. I got away with murder 5 whole times. Now,
we remember. We don't forget.
what?
We know what you said.
No! 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 Not you! No! Stay back! Stay away from me! Don't touch me! Don't look at me! I have to hide. Here! Can't hurt me now, can you?